Unless something smash. That'd be cool. It's hard to take a break when you just got poles sitting here ready to cast, fish to catch.
Come on, Bo.
Way up in there.
Get us some dinner.
The places that no man thinks to go. All right, we're going for a walk. Got my red worms. My other camera. Grab this box. And these poles. Let's go catch some fish. Here we are. We are so grateful to have a friend that's got a boat on a lake that no one else gets to fish. It's about a 19-acre lake.
We got Andy's lines on here. We could be trolling for some bluegill right now.
Yeah, it could be bluegill busting.
Bluegill busting, boys.
And girls.
Girls. Whatever you decide to be.
Girls fish too.
Yep, everybody fish.
This is a bluegill busting jig. This is actually one of the owner's poles. Got an ant on my screen. So maybe grab some attention there. Let's see if she works.
Do some busting for bluegills. Man, this is a good day.
Sure is. Glad we got to do this.
Started a little later than I would have liked, but we're doing it.
We had quite a bit of a weather change the past couple days, so we might be getting skunked.
Went from in the 80s to the 60s in about 4 days, so fish might not be too happy.
Oh, we have something.
Oh, baby.
Something on this rod. Oh, I'm gonna stop that.
So, the little one. Oh, got one on the bluegill rod anyway.
He's still on there. Where are you at? Where are you at, buddy? Oh, he's running. Love the sound of drag. It's all right. Little spiny fella.
Didn't even get his dinner.
Nope.
We did.
Thanks, buddy. Think that's an all right eater, huh? And keep that guy. Go straight for a little bit. Maybe throw this frog back out there. On the old bait caster.
Get ready for some bird nest.
Nah. Maybe. Way out there.
Nice.
Frog doing frog stuff. Just looking to get ate. Oh no!
There.
That was a good strike too. Get back in here. Come on. Okay, bye. Oh. Wave to them all. Hi. Hey, little fella. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. They're up in there. There ain't no bass in this lake.
Ain't no fish in this lake. Except for that one that the boat caught.
Yeah, the boat caught a good fish.
I'm gonna troll.
Yeah, I think I'm going to take a break and just kind of cruise for a little bit.
Yeah,
Since we got only one here, little guy, he's still doing really well, so we're gonna just let him go.
Send him back.
See you,
Thanks,
buddy.
fish.
Thanks for your time. Appreciate you. All right, everyone. So, as you can see, fishing was a bust.
No fish.
We got one that was a pretty good eater. The other two they just kept getting smaller from there. So we had 3 total bluegill, had a couple good bass strikes, but that didn't really turn out the way we wanted it to. So I know we kind of said it was a catch and cook, but we did have a plan B, and luckily Austin with Augie Outdoors, he kind of saved the day. So I'll let you talk about what you're gonna do. If you want to show us what we're gonna do now.
Yeah, so basically I got, like he said, backup plan. I brought pork tenderloin and some pita bread and some aioli, some chipotle aioli. So basically,
Just an update. Austin's got the fire going. He's been fighting to keep it going. We're dealing with some rain that we didn't know about, so it's raining pretty good now. Luckily, I did put the rain fly on the tent, and so did Austin. He got his rain fly. Everything's good to go. So, hey everyone. So it's getting a little bit darker now. It's about almost sunset. It's about 7 o'clock. We have the fire going. We're gonna try to split up some wood while we have a little bit of daylight left. So we have a little bit larger chunks like this one here. Try to split this up a few times, and we'll go from there. See if we can split some up while we have some daylight left and be able to see what we're still doing. Alright, here's our pork tenderloin all cut up into smaller chunks. They're cooking a lot faster now, so we're gonna hope to smash these things here shortly. It is just pouring on us right now. Luckily we're staying, Austin had a rain fly from an old tent that he had. I was not prepared at all. But I don't know if you can hear us. We are kind of confined to this barn. It is pouring so hard. We got our pork tenderloin pieces all cut up and grilled up, nice and seared. Austin's got his with his chipotle aioli on pita bread. So we're gonna smash this and just hang out. We're gonna put our cameras away and probably just try to stay dry. So we will see you guys probably tomorrow if we survive the night.
Morning, everyone. Survived the night. Stayed dry. It rained so much last night. It's gotta be just a muddy mess outside. So, like I said, tent stayed dry. I've been laying here since like 6 o'clock this morning. It's a little after 7 o'clock right now. Been listening to the geese and sandhill cranes down at the lake, just yelling at me, telling me to get out of bed. So I think we're gonna try to go see what's going on outside. Always gotta keep your pair of Crocs close. Stayed warm enough. Okay. Looks like the fire is completely out. Austin must still be in his tent. You can see the lake back there. Oh, it's beautiful out. Feels like it's maybe 50, 55 degrees. I think we're going home sometime in the morning here, so don't know if we'll do breakfast. We'll probably pack up and head home. Stay tuned.
Hello everyone. Looks like it's about 8:30 now. Austin's still sleeping. I'm gonna start packing up shop. I'm gonna have to get after it after too long. Got some other stuff I have to do today. Run into town and get some stuff done at home before having to go back to work tomorrow. So I'm gonna tear this tent down, and in the meantime maybe Austin will get up. All right, everyone, we're all packed up and ready to go here. We got our trucks loaded. Everything's ready to go. We got Augie Outdoors, Austin here. On a scale of 1 to 10, how was your experience with your new tent for your truck camp?
Oh, definitely a 10.
Nice.
I
So
was-
you slept good?
Slept great. I was expecting good things, and it exceeded my expectations. So
Good deal.
definitely glad I got it.
Right on. My tent did me well. I got up around 6 o'clock this morning and watched the sun come up over the trees over here. Got to watch it over the lake. Everything's pretty much torn down from our camping over the weekend. Unfortunately, we do have to go to work tomorrow, so as always, spend more time outdoors. Like, subscribe, comment down below any kind of questions that you have or anything that you'd like to see next. Definitely let us know. And I'd like to do another collaboration video. Again, check out Augie Outdoors. And we will see you next time.